Here's another one of my little reviews. These are wool cotton balls, and you can get them several places. I think these came from Full Circle Market in Winchester. They have a lot of great products over there. And also you can get them on Amazon, of course. You can buy everything on Amazon. But the reason I wanted to do this review is because I have been able to replace my dryer sheets. This is just one brand that I picked up at the dollar store, and they're cheap, but they're full of chemicals like most things and fragrances that I try to avoid. But this product, you just throw it in your dryer. Um, I use three. I don't know if you need to use more or less, but it does work. And I am very successful at drying my clothes without using dryer sheets to keep the static down. That's the main reason I use them, not for the smell. So I don't need um, these to be treated with anything. So I just thought I would point that out. Anything that's natural and that helps to keep you from being exposed to chemicals, I'm all for it.